Like I'm looking for that days to at the same time. So is it okay? Monday no food? Okay, but today no plastic medicine. Yeah. Yes, yes, Mr. Sen. Okay, thank you so much. Have a good day. What day? Mm, as of now, he's full. As in, his schedule he cannot breathe because it's really, really full. Because his the teacher, like the students, is looking for him. So if ever he will be available, I will inform you. Then I will give you another schedule. Okay, thank you so much, Miss Angela. Have a good day.
Shobs, shout out sa'yo, Shobs. Thank you for visiting my live in Abu Dhabi. Salamat sa like.